Hey guys, Funk Roberts here with my amazing, beautiful wife Angela, and today we've got an awesome metabolic combo crush workout for you. As usual, it's 5 exercises. Each exercise uses combination movements, and we're going to be doing 3 rounds. So this is how it works. For the first round, we're going to do each exercise for 30 seconds of work followed by 30 seconds rest. Then in round 2 and 3, we're doing 30 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds rest. And remember, there is no rest in between these rounds. So let's get ready to go. First exercise, overhead jacks to a jump, tuck jump, starting off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right, so overhead press. So we've got a shoulder movement, 4, 5, and then jump. Good. Make sure you land softly on your feet. This is just round 1, so we don't want to go too crazy. Good. Is that 5, right? Good. So make sure you're pressing, pretending you got dumbbells, you're pressing over your head. Good work, good work. All right, our next exercise, we're doing our mountain climbers. We're doing 6 full mountain climbers, and then we're doing 2 push-ups, okay? So again, let's get on the ground. We have 30 seconds of break. Breathe, get your oxygen in. So now we continue with the cardio here. There's a lot of cardio conditioning in this one. So we're gonna do some core cardio and then of course, real tight push-ups, okay? So let's get to 6 total mountain climbers and then 2 push-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2. Keep that elbow close. Good. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Drive the knees to the chest. Good, keep going. Full push-ups. Good, keep going. Time. Good work, good work. Okay, get your breath. Shake it out. Again, round 1's always that round where you're just, getting used to the exercises. Now, we're doing alternating forward lunges and 2 squats, okay? So another combo movement, lunge and squat, lower body, glutes, hamstrings, adductors, abductors, everything. Breathe through your nose with your mouth. Get that oxygen in. Here we go. So forward lunge, and then 2 squats. 1, 2, good. First round, you may not be able to go as far. Or remember, core's gotta be tight. You can put your hands up too like Angela, you can have them on the side, it doesn't matter. Good. Forward lunge, push off with that front leg. Good. Try to get low in the next round. Okay, next up, skater hops to burpee. So I'm gonna move a little bit in front here. We're gonna go 4 skater hops and go down to a burpee. We're not gonna go into the push-up. We're just gonna go back fast and up fast, okay? So try to go as far as you can. But again, this is round 1, so you just wanna get used to the movement, that's all. And you're gonna be doing the burpee at the same point because we're only going 4, so the same side is when you're gonna do the burpee. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Good. Try to push off. Use your hands to help you. Core tight, keep breathing. Good work. All right, down on the ground. Get a mat if you need one. We're doing sit-up, ankle touches, full sit-ups. So we're not doing the sit-ups that you're used to with our hands. Well, you guys are probably not used to that because you already know how to do sit-ups right now. We've been doing many sit-ups, but this one's a great one. We're gonna touch both outside ankles. We're gonna go back down, and then we're gonna rotate. Okay, so you can see the exercise below. Feet are straight, boom. On one side, rotate, and try to really extend that rotation, right? Because you wanna feel that rotation. Good. Try to touch those ankles. Keep the feet, try to keep your heels on the ground if you can. Go all the way back. Good. Rotate. Core tight. Good work. Okay. So back up to the first exercise. We're gonna take this 30-second break, but then I'm gonna do my switcheroo that I always do. The timer's still on, so just follow Angela. She'll get that start. I'm gonna switch this one off. It's gonna be 30-15 for the next 2 rounds. So we did the first round, we got warmed up. Now we know what to expect, and we're gonna decrease the work time. The rest time, yes, sorry, yes. Here we go. Good work, here we go, nice. Keep going, just follow Angela. She's gonna start us off. 1, 2, 3. Land softly on your feet. Press straight up. Good work. All right, down on the ground. Mountain climber push-ups. Remember, we only have 15 seconds rest now, so rest period's a little bit slower. A little bit less, I should say. Here we go. 6. Keep the elbow tight to the body. Want to really focus on the push-up. 2 push-ups. There we go. Keep going. All the way down, all the way up. Good work. That was tough. Okay. Forward lunge to double lunge. Oh. Get that rose out. Smell that rose. Here we go. Forward lunge. Alternating. And then make sure you keep your core tight. That's the key here. Good. Forward, push off with that front leg. All the way down. Keep those knees pointed out, remember, with the squat. Super important. And sit back. Don't lean forward. Good work. Next up, skater hop burpees. How you feeling? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Use that outside leg to push off. You can use your arms too if you want to help you, propel you. Good work. All right, down on the ground, sit up, ankle touches. Faster transition for sure. Here we go. All the way up, outside, rotate. Good. Make sure your abs are doing the work. Keep going. Really exaggerate that rotation. All right, final round. Back to the top. Overhead jacks. We're doing 5 overhead jacks, and we're doing 1 jump. Good. Really press straight up in the air and try to jump high as you can. Good. Keep going. Good work, good work. Shake it out. Mountain climbers. 6 total, 2 push-ups. tricep push-ups. So try to keep those hands close as you can, but it's all about your elbows. Good. Try to move fast with the mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Speed. One speed and one strength. Good work. All right, back up. Forward lunge. Double squat. Catch your breath. Here we go. Keep that body tall too when you're doing the squat or the lunge. It's almost like you're stepping and dropping. Good. Forward, forward, knees out on your heels. Good. Good work. All right, skater hop burpees. Same thing. This time with the skater hop, try to focus on your legs, propelling you back and forth. Try not to use your arms as much. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Try to keep your arms in front of you, like a goblet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And use the power of your legs. Core tight. Oh, definitely feeling that one. All right, last exercise. Let's get some abs going. Here we go. Boom. This is like a CrossFit sit-up. So I told you guys I don't hate CrossFit. There's a lot of great elements of it. As you can see, we put in some of our exercises and workouts. All the way down, all the way back. Make sure you get that rotation. Time. Great work, honey. Awesome work. And you guys, awesome work. There you go. Awesome exercises. Awesome work, guys. Get some water, do the abs, do the stretch, and I'll see you in the next workout.